Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the first chapter of first year chemistry, that is stoichiometry. We can also pronounce it as a stoichiometry. This is the most important chapter of first year because it is numerical based and examiner make all the three type of questions, that is objective, short questions and long questions as a numericals from this chapter. So you should have the grip on this chapter. Let's start it with introduction. Its name is derived from the Greek word that is stoichion, that is element, and metri means measurement. So it is basically the element measurement. The definition will be the study of the quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation. What does it mean? Quantitative relationship means reactants की कितनी amounts जो हैं required हैं to make the products, या फिर for particular product how much reactants are involved. Okay, means के हम रिएक्टेंट की अमाउंट से प्रोडक्ट्स को प्रेडिक्ट कर सकें या प्रोडक्ट्स की अमाउंट से हम रिएक्टेंट्स को प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द क्वांटिटेटिव रिलेशनशिप between both the reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation. For stoichiometry, balanced chemical equation is very important. It can also be defined as the study of the relative amounts of substances involved in a chemical reaction as given by the balanced chemical equation. Relative amounts are also the amounts of reactants and products relative to each other. For example, if we take an example of water formation, this is the balanced chemical equation for water formation. Then the relative amounts of hydrogen and oxygen as given by the balanced chemical equation is called stoichiometry. Means 2 moles of hydrogen will combine with 1 mole of oxygen to make 2 moles of water. This relationship is called stoichiometry. Okay, so the stoichiometry is very much important in our daily life also. Let's see the areas. First one, fireworks manufacturing, engineering works and chemical work. So let's see all these examples one by one. What is fireworks? Fireworks is basically the you can say हम जो आतिशबाजी करते हैं उसको फायरवर्क्स कहते हैं. ठीक है, और उस आतिशबाजी के लिए हम जो भी मटेरियल पैक करते हैं उनमें, ठीक है, फॉर बर्निंग पर्पस, फॉर ग्लोइंग पर्पस, इट शुड बी इन दी कैलकुलेटेड अमाउंट. अगर तो वो कैलकुलेटेड अमाउंट में नहीं होगा, रॉन्ग कैलकुलेशन में कॉज वायलेंट एक्सप्लोजन्स. Okay, and these fireworks can be of any color, and let's see how the different metals are responsible for their colors. For example, strontium salts are responsible for red color, barium salts are responsible for green color, and combined copper and strontium compounds are responsible for the purple color. Okay, and basically here its composition is given here, that 70% we have gunpowder, and that gunpowder is made up of potassium nitrate, basically sulfur and charcoal. Okay, and their percentages are given. Basically in fireworks we have all these 3 ingredients, you can say, or the reactants for burning purpose. Okay, next one, in engineering works, for efficient combustion in combustion engine, correct ratio of fuel and oxygen is needed. That's why जो इंजीनियर्स होते हैं वो कार इंजन को इस तरह से डिज़ाइन करते हैं कि हमारे पास जो फ्यूल है उसकी कंप्लीट कंबस्शन पॉसिबल हो सके. ओके अगर तो कंप्लीट कंबस्शन नहीं होगी, इट विल ऑल्सो मेक सम बाय प्रोडक्ट गैसेस एंड दैट विल कॉज environment pollution. Okay, next one is chemical work. Chemical work basically a chemist used calculated amounts of reactants to produce the exact amount of the products. It means एक अच्छे chemist को स्टॉक्योमेट्री का नॉलेज होना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक अच्छा केमिस्ट, एक अच्छा इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जो होगा वो हमारे पास जो भी रॉ मटेरियल है एज अ इंग्रेडिएंट्स, एज दी रिएक्टेंट्स, तो वो उनको वेस्ट नहीं करेगा. वो कैलकुलेटेड अमाउंट्स को लेकर आपस में रिएक्ट करेगा, आपस में कंबाइन करेगा टू मेक दी प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके अगर रेंडमली रिएक्टेंट्स को ले लिया जाए, रेंडमली विदाउट द नॉलेज ऑफ स्टॉक्योमेट्री reactants को combine करवाया जाए, then we will have a very small amount of the product and any one of the reactant will be in excess and that can be wasted. Okay, here is an example of combustion of hydrogen fuel in the rockets. Hydrogen fuel burn in the presence of oxygen to form water, and along with it a large amount of heat is produced. Okay, and जो वो heat produce हो रही है, energy produce हो रही है, by using that energy the rocket covers its required distance. Okay, here you can see this knowledge of stoichiometry tell us the relationship between reactants and products in different ways. For example, two molecules of hydrogen can combine with one molecule of oxygen to form two molecules of water. 2 moles of hydrogen can combine with 1 mole of oxygen to form 2 moles of water. And along with that ये हमें लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन के बारे में भी इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है स्टॉकियोमेट्री की ब्रांच, बिकॉज it is telling us that amount of the reactants will always be equal to the amount of the products. For example, 4 grams of hydrogen will combine with 32 grams of oxygen to form 36 gram of water. It means 32 plus 4 36. Reactants ka mass is equals to the products ka mass. It means it is obeying law of mass action. The last example is combustion in the gas barbecue. Propane जो है वो burn की जाती है gas barbecue में. Here is a balanced chemical equation written here. और इसमें भी हमें यही information मिल रही है in terms of molecules, moles and masses, that how the particular amount of the reactants are combining to form the particular amount of the products. Okay, for example ये balanced chemical equation हमें ये information दे रही है कि अगर हमें 1 mole of propane को burn करना है तो हमें कितने moles of oxygen required हैं? 5 moles of oxygen required हैं. Likewise अगर हम इसको change करना चाहें, the numerical can be like 2 moles of propane जो है अगर उनको burn करना है तो how much moles of oxygen are required. तो basically ये जो हमारे पास reactants and products का आपस में relationship है, quantitative relationship, this is basically called as stoichiometry. Okay, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है आप इसको लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दें ताकि नए आने वाले लेक्चर्स का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे. थैंक यू सो मच.